Hey, thanks for coming back to the Tiny Island Maine channel. And if this is your first visit, it is deeply appreciated. So we're going to open up this beautiful little box here. It's from Chris Reeve Knives, if you can't figure that out. But too many of these already out. But here's my take, and hear the joy in my voice as I open this up. This is something that I have thought about for years. I kept going back and forth and back and forth. There's so many good knives out there for that price. I could buy 2 of these. I could buy 3 of those. But the more I looked, the more I saw, I got sucked in. They dragged me back in. So let's just undo it. Just to let you know, I got this from White Mountain Knives up in New Hampshire. From the guy's name that owns it is Justin. He is a class act. I've had a couple of dealings with him, and they've all been good. The first knife I bought, I had a small problem with it. He said, send it back. We'll get it taken care of. He took care of it. He kept in communication. Justin, White Mountain Knives. Good guy. You can usually get a nice little discount from him. And they're quick. They communicate great, which is huge to me. And you're dealing with one person, not 50 different people. So help out the little guy. Okay, that's enough. That was a non-paid commercial for him. Okay, so here's the Chris Reeve knife. We got the small Sebenza. I held the big Sebenza, the large Sebenza. It wasn't right for me. I do have a couple of larger knives. If you look at some of the other videos on my channel, you'll see I've got a few other big guys, which is great, but this was nice. I wanted the box Elder, which I thought looked beautiful for the inlay, but that's where I drew the line. I could not justify the expense, not to mention they're very hard to come by. So this is the drop point polished Magnacut blade with natural canvas micarta. Okay, so in all honesty, I have opened this and messed around with the knife a little bit, but I didn't get a chance to do an actual unboxing. Okay, so here's the outside of the box just to show you. They got the special Crucible CPM decal on there, and that's the bottom of the box. Okay, so we open it up, and just like every other video you've seen, here's the little classy folder, nice quality material for the cardstock here. Here's the birthday card. Now, so this says it is the small, it's the Magnacut, it is the drop point. I did like the idea of the in single blade as well, but again, I was vacillating, so I stuck with what I knew. And there it says polished. And what else? The titanium handles. And it has the natural canvas micarta inlays. And it was born December 6th, 2023. So if you have that birthday, you can be a little jealous of that. Okay, then you get the